In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add items to a SHEIN order using the best method available. Before we dive in, there's an important note to keep in mind. You cannot add items directly to an order that has already been placed on SHEIN. However, there's an effective workaround that helps you manage this situation. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to the SHEIN website. Once you're there, navigate to the Me section, then go to My Orders. Here, you'll find an overview of your current and past orders. Find the specific order you're interested in and select View Details for more information. Next, you'll need to check the status of your order. It's crucial to confirm whether the order is still in the processing stage or awaiting shipment. If the order has already been shipped, unfortunately, no changes can be made to it. But if it's still processing, you're in luck and you can move forward with the next steps. Now here's what you can do if you want to add more items. You have the option to cancel the order. Do this by tapping the cancel order button. This option is only available as long as the order hasn't been shipped yet. Once canceled, add the original items along with any new items you want to purchase into your cart. This allows you to place a new combined order containing everything you wish to purchase. Once you've updated your shopping cart with both the original and new items, proceed to confirm your payment and shipping details. Make sure that your shipping address is correct to avoid any delivery issues. Then choose your preferred payment method. SHEIN offers various payment options, so pick the one that suits you best. When everything looks good, hit the place order button to complete your purchase. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily manage the changes to your order even after you initially placed it. Although adding items directly to an existing order isn't possible, this method ensures you receive everything you need in a timely manner. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide helps you navigate your future purchases on SHEIN with ease. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Until next time, happy shopping.